Welcome back to another episode of Semple's Words, the groundbreaking new show that is sweeping the nation. The world, actually. I'm serious. The show is really blowing up. My neighbor said he saw it. He doesn't even have kids. And I only sent him the link like 7 times. At Semple's Words, we invite a student to come in with their questions about undergraduate research. And quite simply, I change their lives. Today's guest is Delores. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me on, Howard. I've watched every episode and I really need your help.
For real? You really watch the show?
All the time.
So, do you have a favorite person on it?
Oh, yes. I mean, of course, I think you were awesome, but my roommates are obsessed with Boom Guy. Sheila and Tiffany say hi.
Boom Guy? For real? Whatever. What's your question?
Well, I'm an English lit major and I want to do my project for my senior thesis. I keep going to faculty to ask them what I should do, but they won't tell me. So, how do I make them give me a project?
Wait, what do you mean give you a project?
Well, I have friends in labs and their faculty give them projects to work on. So I need my faculty to tell me what to do.
What about what you want?
What does that have to do with it?
Well, it's your senior thesis. Shouldn't it be about something that's interesting to you? What's your favorite kind of literature?
Well, I really love ancient Sufi poetry. I think it's so beautiful and calming.
Why don't you start there?
I don't understand why no one is willing to help me. All of my life, teachers have told me what they wanted and I did it. That's how I got here. So why are they now hiding it from me? Do I need to work harder? I can work harder if you need me to.
Well, I don't think it's a secret club trying to trick you. I just always thought that students should pick their own projects.
Listen, Howard, I'm not going to take this crap anymore. You are going to tell me what my project should be, or so help me, I will.
Howard, what are you doing?
Get in here and get her!
Tell me what my project should be, Howard, now!
Okay, actually, Howard actually gave you some good advice.
You actually did.
Hey, the first thing you have to do when putting together a project is just know what you are interested in.
And more than that, you need to know why you're interested in it. The more you explore something, the more complicated it will get. So you need to know what at its core it means to you.
But what if I don't really know what I want? Can you tell me what my project should be?
Reach out to some faculty who work in those areas. Read some of their work and talk to them about what they do. You can learn more about the content area. You can learn more about what the research actually looks like. The research I did had nothing to do with literature, so I don't have any suggestions for you, but there sure are plenty of professors who do research like that. Just have conversations with them.
Yeah, tell them what you're interested in and why, and then ask them for things you should read. That way you don't have to guess at what would be important for you to read and what you could skip for now.
And ask them if they know anyone else you could talk to. They may know of someone in a department like history or something who may be relevant to you. A lot of research crosses over between fields.
I guess that makes sense.
And finally, see what is out there in the world that can help you put a project together. Are there archives where these writers' works are held? Maybe there are letters between some of the writers that you could find. That's the combination you want. Your interests, learning more about what is known and unknown in the field, and then learning what resources may exist to help you.
Triple balance. That's what we call it. Semple's triple balance approach to starting projects. It works for everything. Science, social science, creative arts, outside of school. Semple's triple balance.
Semple's triple balance. I like it. I can do that. But are you sure that faculty don't secretly have a pile of projects in their desk drawers?
Do you hear what you just said?
You're right. I just need to do my own work to figure out what I want. For a change. Not gonna lie, it seems a little scary.
Well, you're kind of scary, so that makes sense.
Howard,
Have you seen her? She's totally scary.
just end the show, Howard.
Come back next week for hopefully a less freaky episode of Semple's Words.
Bye, Boom Guy.